Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but Happy New Year's, happy last Christmas and whatnot. I know I disappeared for a little bit, but honestly, I needed that break. So we're going to be doing a little Valentine's nail design. This one actually was a Christmas nail design. I just never got around to fully edit it. So I went back into the nails and I added some little heart designs and stuff like that just to make it more of a Valentine's, because I did not want to waste this nail design and throw it to the trash. You know, we don't throw product away over here. So we were trying to salvage this nail design. So I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful mixed glitter that I've been having for a while in my glitter drawer. I just never got around to using it until now. But I am using Madden Glam's not mixing gel, but base gel. And I'm just using that to kind of add the glitter onto the nail. I'm going to be doing that to the middle finger and the ring finger. And I'm just going to do like a glitter ombre in a way, because I am going to go ahead and add some confetti glitter valentines from Daily Charm. And then for the pointer finger, I'm going to do what's it called? A French nail. Man. My brain went blank for a moment there. But I'm going to be right back. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this little part, and I'll be back. So I did want to mention the products that I am using in this video. So this beautiful flash gel polish, this beautiful red one, is from Nails by Deb. And the polygel that I did use was a nude from Max Extrada, the E-Nail Couture polygel one, which is one of my favorite. You guys already know I show it all the time in my videos. I'm just going to pack on some glitter on top of that red just to make it a little bit more glittery, because that's what I was going for. And then for the clear polygel that I will be using to encapsulate, you guys already know as well, is the Macart Clear Polygel. That one has to be my ultimate favorite one because how super clear it is and how affordable it is as well. You can find that on Amazon, and the other products you could just easily go and look them up on the internet. You could easily go to their website that they sell them at. I know they don't sell them in Amazon, just the Macart Polygel. And that's about it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. Let me know down below in the comment sections what you thought, and if you would like for me to recreate a nail design, let me know, or you could send me a DM on Instagram. All right, see you guys until next time. Bye.